It is an amusing conception to imagine a mind exactly balanced between two equal desires, for it is indubitable that it will never decide, since inclination and choice imply inequality in value, and if we replace between the bottle and the ham with an equal appetite for drinking and for eating, there would doubtless be no solution but to die of thirst and of hunger. To provide against this difficulty, the Stoics, when they are asked whence comes the choice in our soul between two indifferent things, and what makes us take one rather than the other out of a large number of 1 crown pieces, when they are all alike and there is no reason which inclines us to a preference, answer that this movement of the soul is extraordinary and irregular, coming from an external, accidental, and fortuitous impulse in us. It might rather be said, it seems to me, that nothing that nothing presents itself to us in which there is not some difference, however slight, and that either to the sight or to the touch there is always something extra that attracts us, though it be imperceptibly. Likewise, if we suppose a string equally strong throughout, it is impossible, by all impossibility, that it should break. For where do you want the break to begin? And to break everywhere at once is not in nature. If anyone should further add to this the geometrical propositions which conclude by the certainty of their demonstrations that the thing contained is greater than the container, the center as great as the circumference, and which find two lines endlessly approaching each other and unable ever to meet, and the philosopher's stone and the squaring of the circle, where reason and the fact are so opposite. He might perhaps derive from them some argument to support this bold saying of Pliny: there is nothing certain but uncertainty, and nothing more miserable and arrogant than man.